track PO89. I am tripodless today because I forgot to bring it. Let's see. Nice K5LA. I don't think there's any. There was like very few passengers because I haven't seen any come out. City 186. PO89 with redemption 186. Hello everybody. I'm gonna show you guys my new scanner I got off of Amazon last Tuesday. It is the NSTIG-8R Anytone, the Instigator. Got it for 86.68, I think. That's what the price was. I tried it out, see if it would work, but I guess I might have done something wrong with the frequencies. So if you guys know why it's not working, tell me in the comments below how to get it to pick up the frequencies, because I'm very new to this and I don't know too much about scanners, and you can see. I don't know if that's the right frequencies or hear that, or it's just I didn't put a certain thing on it. So let me know in the comments and tell me what I should do. In the meanwhile, I'll see you until PO89 departs. Here we go. Oh, it's stopping again. I guess they stopped for construction reason wise, but other than that, I don't know why they stopped. So you can see, the reason why they're doing construction is because they are rebuilding the fast bus transit area. Well, not rebuilding it, but they're moving it, so it's gonna be about across where I am, so that's why. See you guys in a bit. Here we go. There's a rare stop. This road is closed. There it goes. They also moving equipment. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to explain to me of how my scanner works. If you know, let me know down in the comments. We'll see you guys later.